Last couple of days have been total madness, guys. We've unboxed so many variety of products, lots of TVs, home theaters, sound bars. So I thought, chalo, let's also cover some home related appliances as well. I'm pretty sure for this Diwali period, a lot of people keep looking to buy a washing machine, right? We have a brand new model in the house. This one is from Acer. It's their all new Halo Wash series. It's 8 kg capacity and it's like a fully automatic washing machine. Lots of features are there. It has built-in heater, powerful ultra motor is there with up to 700 RPM. Plus, it's also 5-star energy efficiency rated. So this is what we'll be unboxing in this video. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing and check out the product. Our brand new Halo washing machine 2023 from Acer came in this sort of box packaging. Huge box, I'd say, and packaging quality was also pretty good. You have the Acer branding on the front, and as I've told you, this is a fully automatic top loading variant of the washing machine. It's available in different capacity variants. Today in the house, we have the 8 kg variant. As soon as you open it, we have some accessories over here. You're getting a rat mesh also included for our Indian household, and a couple of accessories are inside the washing machine. I'll get there in a moment. And finally, there you go, our very first look at Acer's all new Halo washing machine. We have the dark metallic grey sort of finish, and that too in a two-tone color scheme. Initial impressions, beautiful looking washing machine. Let me just remove all of this packaging, set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. In the meantime, let me give you a closer look and talk about the design and build quality part. Acer's Halo washing machine is available in a couple of different variants. We have the metallic grey edition 8 kg capacity variant, which is ideal for day-to-day home sort of usage. It has a beautiful looking and ergonomic design. Love the two-tone color scheme they went with. Body has a dark metallic grey finish, while the top control panel is done in a piano black sort of finish. On the front, we have its 5-star energy efficiency rating sticker and mentions its warranty details. The product comes with a 10-year motor warranty and 2-year comprehensive warranty as well. And not to miss out, its elegant soft closing glass top lid. Very practical and functional design, guys. Let me give you a closer look and show you all the buttons available on the top control panel. Acer's washing machine offers plenty of wash modes and options to choose from, and is actually very simple to operate as well. Anybody at your home can use it. There's a mini status LED display at the center that shows you the current wash mode program you're using, or maybe the timer delay function, water level indicator, and plenty of other information. It has around 10 smart wash modes, all programmed and preset for different types of clothes and scenarios, from standard washing, quick wash, gentle care, warm washing mode to anti-tangle mode, and hot wash mode is also included. Remember, it also has a built-in heater included as well. It totally has around like 6 buttons. This one is your power button and start stop just below that. Water level selector is also there with up to 8 different modes, process button, time delay selection button, and lastly this one is your wash program selector button. Using this, you can easily select the wash mode that you're looking for depending on the current fabric that you want to wash. And not only that, it even includes a child lock safety function as well, so kids can't by mistakenly disturb the machine while it's running. So basically, these are all the available controls and options on this washing machine from Acer. And using this product is also very simple, as I've told you, just like any other washing machine, guys, and basically anybody at your home can operate it. Connect the water inlet pipe that we got free in the package to the back of the washing machine, plug in the mains cord cable, and power it on. Put all the clothes that you want to wash inside the drum, pour the detergent in this tray, set the appropriate wash mode, all the timer settings, and bam, that's it. Machine will take care of the rest for you. Acer's Halo washing machine features a 700 RPM good quality ultra motor that offers higher spin speed, which also helps in faster drying of the clothes. Plus, it has a stable body design with its auto balance technology. It has a smart sensing mechanism on board that reduces body vibrations while washing and keeps the operation smooth and silent. We've had the product for about 7 to 8 days at my home, and I have washed variety of clothes almost every day, and it was working very well during my usage. Main highlight is, due to its auto balance mechanism, there were very minimum vibrations for a top load category machine, and I had a smooth and quiet session. Operating noise was also less than 70 dB, especially in the quiet wash mode program. I haven't told you about the inner drum quality, right? It features a stainless steel drum on the inside with pro foam design and has helix flow pulsator on the bottom. This generates good amount of foam by quickly dissolving the detergent and also helps in quick absorption as well. We have washed and tested variety of clothes, I've told you, right? Cotton material, jeans, bed sheets as well. And there were different modes for different type of fabric, which even includes a gentle mode as well for delicate type of fabric. And the washing machine was definitely doing a good job. It was easily removing stain marks marks and any sort of dirt effortlessly, guys. And not to miss out, it even has a built-in heater, right, that can offer up to 55 degrees of warm washing mode. Two benefits you'll get with this. First is clothes will have reduced wrinkles, and second is due to hot water, it will eliminate any sort of germs and bacteria present in the drum. So hygiene washing is greatly useful in certain scenarios. And apart from that, two more things I'd like to mention is the washing machine also features Care Tech Wash and auto drum cleaning as well, basically self-cleaning technology. Care Tech Wash is used for delicate clothes where it protects the integrity of the fabric by washing them multiple number of times but slowly over a longer period of time. And best thing, as I've told you, it supports auto drum cleaning, which you can do once in a while to keep the inner drum chamber clean and hygiene. Last but not the least, the machine is also AI Sense Tech Wash rated. That means it's got some smart sensors on board that will automatically take care of any encounters it may face and enhances the overall durability and efficiency as well. This includes smart weight sensing of clothes, voltage surge protection is also there, auto restart memory is also included, and auto sense of motor temperature as well. So it's basically built for all seasons and conditions. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Our video on Acer's Halo washing machine 2023. Overall experience has been good, very easy to use and operate, offers plenty of wash modes to choose from, and does an excellent cleaning job as well. If you guys are looking to buy a top loading fully automatic washing machine during this festive period, you can definitely go for this model. The 8 kg capacity variant costs around 15,999 rupees. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all found this video quite informative. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.